Hercules, the crane engine, usually cleans up messes on the railway whenever there is an accident or he is helping out with track maintenance. But unfortunately, he felt like he couldn't do jobs most tank engines could.
Something
wrong, Hercules?
Yes, Garrett. I feel like I'm a useless asset to the railway because I just sit around all day, as if I make no difference whatsoever.
Well, you shouldn't doubt yourself too much. Imagine how long it would take for someone to bring cranes up here if there was an accident. Your crane arm makes you unique.
I guess you're right on that part.
Keep in mind, Hercules, you're a nice and wise crane engine. Try not to dwell on this.
I won't. Thanks, Garrett.
No problem, pal. Anytime.
Mr. Turner, after sending Lila back to Watford, went to Wington to get another engine to fill in until he could get a replacement. He found Noah at Wington Yards getting ready for the day.
Good morning, Noah.
Good morning, sir. You're here early. Something up?
Besides the Skye, yes.
Oi! Guns are my thing! Not that I can hear anyone laugh at me. This was a sitcom.
Anyway, I need an engine to work at the western branch until I can find a replacement for Larry, since he has his own branch line. Would you want to go work there?
Sure, sir. I'll head up there right away.
That's a good engine. Hercules will show you around when you arrive.
Sir, pardon me for asking, but who is Hercules?
You'll see when you get there.
Oh, alright then. Who will look after my work?
Don't worry about that. We've got a wide variety of shunters. I'll see if Phil can tackle your work.
No worries.
Noah soon arrived up to the western branch line and made his way to Braxton Yard, where Hercules was waiting for him.
Hello there. You're Noah?
Indeed, I am. I'm here to help out.
Excellent. I'm Hercules. There are some trucks waiting in the siding that could be shunted for Garrett. Could you arrange those, please? I would, but I'm low on water at the moment.
Of course. Right away.
Noah began shunting the goods train for Garrett. One by one, the trucks clattered into line, until he got to one certain truck.
Ow!
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
It's fine. Wait, I don't recognize you. Are you new?
No, I've been on this rally for a long time. My name is Noah. Nice to meet you.
I'm Liam, and it's great to meet you too.
As Noah finished shunting Garrett's train together, he was curious to learn more about Hercules. But Hercules was deep in discussion with Ashton. He started moving the train to the platform, but wasn't paying attention and accidentally biffed into Ashton.
Ouch!
Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry, Ashton. Are you alright?
Yes, I'm good. Don't worry about it, my friend.
Noah, is everything alright?
Oh, I'm fine. Nothing to worry about.
Noah moved the trucks onto another line, and Garrett came to pick them up. After Garrett had left, Noah got his auto coaches to take a passenger train down the branch line.
Smooth ride. A smooth ride. I got this. I got to give the passengers a good ride.
Hey Noah, be careful. There may be trees that are a little close to the line.
But Noah was already out of hearing range by the time Hercules finished his sentence.
I really hope he'll be alright.
Despite the wretched weather that afternoon, Noah was determined to give the passengers the smooth ride he had wanted.
Smooth rides are quite enjoyable, but I must make these passengers proud.
But it wasn't long before Noah arrived at Edwin Shaw Station. When the station master came out of the building with his umbrella out, he went to talk to Noah's driver.
The rain's clearing up. but there are still trees that are a little close to the line. Be careful, you guys.
Righto.
As Noah continued through the muggy weather, something happened.
Ow! I got a cramp.
Everything alright there, Noah?
Yeah, I think I'll be fine.
Noah came to a stop right in the middle of the line.
Ow!
Are you alright now, Noah?
No, not particularly. I'm gonna stuck here.
Noah's crew went to get help. Suddenly, there was a sound that sounded like twigs breaking. And then a snap. A tree had fallen right in front of Noah. Luckily, no one was hurt. Noah was inches away from the tree.
Phew, that was close. What was that?
Ah, botheration. That's great. Just great. We're now stuck here.
Get a hold of yourself, Frank.
Oh well. Rather a smash than a squash.
I should have gone this way. Now we're stuck. Wait a minute. That's it.
What is it, old boy?
Run back to Edenshaw station and call for Hercules. He might just be still at Braxton.
Okay, I'm on it.
He soon returned with good news.
Hercules will get here as fast as he can, but we might be stuck for another hour at least.
The passengers soon caught a bus to get home. Noah felt ashamed he had let the passengers down for not getting them to their stops.
Oh, jeez, what happened here? Noah, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Besides, my self evolved. I'm just fine.
Okay, sit tight. Alright, let's get to work, men.
Already on it, Hercules.
Splendid. Okay, let's do this.
After a few hours, Hercules managed to get the trees and the branches loaded onto flatbeds.
There we go. Now about that broken safety valve. I'll tow you back to the works.
Thank you, Hercules.
No problem, mate.
Hey, Hercules? Can I ask you something?
Sure, what would you like to know?
So Garrett told me about your conversation earlier. You said you felt left out?
Yes, I did. I felt like I couldn't do the jobs tank engines could.
I kinda felt the same way before I arrived on the Nightingale railway. I ran a small line and usually took coal trains. But since then I worked at the yard at Twington, all by myself, and Linda helped me gain my confidence.
That's interesting, Noah.
Yeah, so is there something you did throughout the GWR before you came here?
I did some light work around the yards near Paddington, loading trucks with my crane arm, but that's not that exciting.
Oh, I see. Well, did you feel like you did something exciting today?
Yes, I got to help with clearing the line.
And you saved the day!
I guess I did. I saved the day. You're right. Anyway, here we are.
As Hercules shunted Noah into the works, there, on the line next to him, was a big blue tank engine, sitting in the siding.
Oh, hello. Who are you guys?
I am Hercules, and this is Noah.
Hello.
It's nice to meet you guys.
Same to you.
You too.
Just then, Mr. Turner walked up to the three engines.
Hello, you three.
Hello, sir.
How can we help you, sir?
An old station is going to be repaired, which is why I brought Laura here to help. The station is called Penrith. It had fallen into disrepair a few years around the time the railway rebranded to the Nightingale Railway, which is why not many stop at that station, so I was wondering if you, Hercules, would like to help restore the line, along with Laura here.
Of course, sir.
Sounds good. However, do you think you can get the job done in 2 weeks?
Maybe with another engine with us, it could be possible. Maybe Mia and Cosmo, sir?
Sure thing. They also happen to run the same line, so they will be perfect to help out.
Great. When do we start?
You will start tomorrow.
Laura, maybe you can sleep on the western branch tonight, and we head to Penrith tomorrow.
Okay, lead the way.
Over the next 2 weeks, the 4 engines worked their hardest to get the line back into working order. Mr. Turner was happy with this.
You know, being unique is good, and I shouldn't let little things bother me.
Good for you, Hercules.
Happy to hear.
Pleased to hear that, too.
Thanks, you three. I would have never been able to do this job myself.
I can understand why you wouldn't be able to do this by yourself, Hercules. I'm very happy I helped you out.
Thanks. Hope this line has potential.
I'm sure it will.
Thank you, Hurricane, for helping us.
No, thank you. We would have never gotten this line cleared without you two. Especially Laura as well. She helped us just as well as you two. So thank you, Laura.
No problem. And I'm glad I helped. We make a great team.
And all Hercules could do was smile.
Laura, maybe you can sleep out on the western... Laura, maybe you can sleep on the western branch tonight. And we had to I did some light work around the yards near Paddington, loading trucks with my crane arm. But that's not But... Hey Noah, be careful! There may be trees that are close to the lawn.
Anyway, I need an engine to work on the western branch until I can find a replacement for Larry, since he is now... I need a drink. I need an Would you want to go work...